Educational GMAT. Your partner in your GMAT journey.
I'll give you guys good 5 minutes for this. Not easy. Not easy. Okay, let's wait for others. Okay, now let's do this. So I can obviously take 2 outside. So what am I left with? X minus 3 by 2, right? Basically. 3 by 2 is equal to x minus 5, which means 2 times x minus 1.5 is equal to x minus 5. Now, what's the inflection point? 1.5. So again, what do we do? Consider two cases. X is greater than equal to the inflection point, or X is lesser than the inflection point. So greater than 1.5, give me a value 2. So for X is equal to 2, clearly this is positive. So we put a plus sign here, correct? Plus 2 times X minus 1.5 is equal to X minus 5. Okay, now let's take a value lesser than in 1.5. Give me a value 1. Okay, so for x is equal to 1, x minus 1.5, positive or negative? Negative. But since absolute value cannot be negative, what do? We put a negative sign. Minus 2 x minus 1.5 is equal to x minus 5. Clear so far? Very standard approach. So from this, what do we get, friends? 2x minus 3 is equal to x minus 5. So 2x minus x is equal to how much? X is equal to minus 2. Agreed? Now, however, what was the condition that we started with? Greater than 1.5. Is minus 2 greater than 1.5? Obviously no. So this is not a valid solution. Okay, now let's come to this. Minus 2x plus 3 is equal to x minus 5. So minus 3x is equal to minus 8, which means x is equal to 8 by 3, which is 2 point something. Agreed? But what was the condition that we started with? Lesser than 1.5. Is 8 by 3 lesser than 1.5? No. So which means how many solutions does this have? No solution. Are we clear? As we always discuss that whenever you get a solution, make sure that it satisfies the condition. So 0 solutions. but it will be positive or negative based upon the inflection value, right? That's the reason, that's the whole concept of inflection point. Yes, but you missed the condition then. That, please always take the inflection point into consideration before proceeding with the algebraic equation, because this is a very important step, that the final solution that you are getting, is it conforming with the condition that you had assumed.